So now we are going to write the Tamil letters. Okay kids, see last year itself everybody we had written in checked note. The checked note only we had written Tamil letters in a baby. So now in senior KG onwards you have to write the letters in 2 lines note. Okay kids, see ma'am, I have marked the 2 lines here. Okay kids, see ma'am, I have given already 2 lines notes. With your kit we had given 2 lines note. So hereafter you have to write the Tamil letters, everything you have to write in the 2 lines note only. Okay kids, first let's see the உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். How to write the உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் in 2 lines note. Okay kids, first letter is A. A, Amma. A, Amma only no. Am I right? Yes. A, Amma. So how to start the letter A in 2 lines note. Okay kids, so everybody listen carefully. First you have to put a small circle. So in the 2 lines, how many lines are there? In the 2 lines note, how many lines are there? So each line has 2 lines. So 1, 2, 2 lines. Am I right? Within you have to start from the first line. Okay kids, see first you have to put a small circle. See, you have to put the small circle in the right direction. In the right side. Okay kids, in the right side. You cannot bring your hands left side. You have to put a small circle in your right side. You have to start, see, you have to start the circle in your right side. See, right side. Then you have to start the curve from the top of the circle. See, top of the circle. See, you have to put a curve and you come down to the second line. See, then again you put a curve, then go inside. See, then standing line. This is A, letter A. So ma'am, how I taught you? First you have to put a small circle in the right direction. Not like this. Left direction you cannot put the circle. I have to put the circle in your right direction. You have to keep your pencil on the first line. Okay kids, you have to keep your pencil on the right side. See, first line. See, right side you have to move the circle. Next you have to start the curve, top of the circle. Then you put a curve and come down to the second line. Then you make a curve again. Then go inside. Then standing line. Okay kids, can you understand? Can you understand how to do that one? See here. Let me teach once again. Come on. See, first step, you have to put a circle in the first line, within the 2 lines. From the first line, you have to put a small circle in the rightward direction. See, you have to put a small circle in a rightward direction. Okay kids, see. Okay, have you all put a circle? Yes. Then the second step, you have to see. See, next you have to put a curve from the top of the circle. See here, you have to put a curve in the top of the circle. Next, see the third one, see. Then you have to extend the curve in the second line. Then you put a curve. Then you have to go inside. Then you have to put a standing line. Okay kids, can you understand? What's the first step? You have to put a circle, small circle in the first line. You have to touch that. That circle should be touched the first line. Then you have to put a curve. Then while you putting the curve itself, you have to touch the second line. Then again you put a bend, curve, then go inside, then standing line here. Okay kids, shall I repeat once again? Come on. What's the first step? You need to put a circle in the first line. See, you have to put right side only, you have to put a circle. Everybody, you have to listen this point. You have to put a circle in the right side. Okay, see, right side 0. Then you have to start the curve from the top of the circle. Curve, then come down to second line. Then again curve, then go inside. Then you need to put a standing line here. Standing line here. Okay kids, you have to write the letter within the 2 lines. Within the 2 lines. Okay kids, so today at your home, your Tamil homework is you have to write the letter R in your Tamil note. Okay kids, just you have to write it 4 lines only. Okay kids, in the 4 lines you have to divide it into like this. See, so 4 lines, you know, see. So that line you have to divide it into 4. See, 1, 2, 3 columns. You have to divide it into 4 columns. Okay kids, can you understand? You have to divide it into 4 columns in the 1 page. The 1 page you have to write the letter R. Can you understand?